Listen guys, if you are stuck in a situation where jobs are hard to find, salaries are low, or you feel like every country is asking for experience you don't have, then this is for you. Because Finland in 2026 is opening a massive door that most people are still ignoring. We are talking about a country facing serious labor shortages, an aging population, and urgent demand for foreign workers. There are real jobs, real salaries, and a real 3-year work pathway that can change your life. Stay with me, because what I'm about to show you is strategic immigration. Finland is highly industrial and service-driven, but they do not have enough manpower in essential sectors like healthcare, logistics, and construction. Many Finns are moving into tech and high-skill office jobs, leaving physical and support roles open. And guys, this is where opportunity opens for you. Finland is now actively recruiting foreign workers through official job portals and visa sponsorship routes. And if you move smart, you can position yourself inside that system in 2026. Let's break down the top 5 sectors hiring foreigners right now. 1. Healthcare and elderly care. Roles: care assistant, support worker, cleaner in hospitals. Salary: €2,200 to €3,500 per month. This is one of the fastest growing sectors because of aging population pressure. 2. Construction and skilled labor. Roles: construction helper, plumber assistant, electrician helper. Salary: €2,500 to €4,500 per month. Companies are constantly short of hands-on workers. 3. Logistics and warehouse jobs. Roles: warehouse worker, picker, packer, forklift operator. Salary: €2,000 to €3,200 per month. This is one of the easiest entry points with minimal experience. 4. Cleaning and facility services. Roles: cleaner, housekeeping staff, maintenance assistant. Salary: €1,800 to €2,800 per month. Simple entry requirements and high demand across cities. 5. Agriculture and seasonal work. Roles: farm worker, fruit picker, greenhouse assistant. Salary: €1,700 to €2,500 per month plus seasonal bonuses. Perfect for short-term entry and visa transition pathways. Now let's be real about what you need. First, age range. Usually 18 to 45 is preferred depending on the job. Second, language. Basic English is often enough for entry-level roles. Finnish is a bonus but not always required. Third, passport. A valid international passport is required. Fourth, health and background check. You must be medically fit and have no serious criminal record. Fifth, willingness to work. And I mean real work attitude, especially for physical jobs. Now let's break down exactly how people are actually getting into Finland in 2026. Step 1. Prepare your CV. Make a clean European-style CV, focus on skills, not fancy words. Step 2. Apply for jobs. Use official job portals. Workinfinland.com, Finland official jobs portal. jobsfinland.fi. eures.europa.eu, EURES European Job Mobility Portal. Search for roles like care assistant, warehouse worker, cleaner, construction helper. Step 3. Get job offer. Once an employer selects you, they may offer a contract or sponsorship depending on the role. This is the turning point. Step 4. Apply for work visa. You will apply through the official Finnish Immigration Service platform. Enter Finland, migri.fi. This is where your residence permit application is processed. Step 5. Biometrics and approval. You may be required to visit a visa center for fingerprints and documentation. Then you wait for approval. Step 6. Travel and start work. Once approved, you move to Finland and begin your job legally under your work permit. And guys, this is where most people fail. They stop at job search. But the real winners follow the full system. Now listen carefully. If you are serious about moving abroad in 2026, this is not something to ignore. Finland is one of the most structured and stable immigration pathways in Europe right now. But opportunities like this do not stay open forever. They shift with labor demand. So here is what I want you to do. Drop a comment below. Tell me your country and the sector you are interested in. And guys, if you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe. Because I am going to keep bringing real, strategic immigration pathways that actually work. Just real opportunities. See you in the next one.